Bedbugs are tiny insects. They feed on human blood. They are a growing problem. They can infest any home. These pests are very good at hiding. They can live in mattresses, bedding, and furniture. Bedbugs spread easily. They can travel in luggage, clothing, and furniture. Bedbug bites are itchy and annoying. They can also cause allergic reactions. Dealing with bedbugs is important for your health and peace of mind. Don't worry, you can get rid of bedbugs with simple, natural solutions. You can take back your home and sleep peacefully again. How can you tell if you have bedbugs? Bedbugs are small, elusive, and can be a real nuisance. Identifying their presence early can save you from a lot of discomfort and potential infestation. There are a few signs to look out for. Knowing these signs can help you act quickly and effectively. First, check your skin for bites. Bedbug bites are often one of the first indicators of an infestation. Bedbug bites look like small red dots. They can be easily mistaken for mosquito bites or other insect bites, but there are some differences. They often appear in clusters or lines. They are usually itchy and can cause discomfort. Next, inspect your bedding thoroughly. Look for tiny, dark spots. These spots are often found on sheets, pillowcases, and mattresses. These could be bedbug droppings. Bedbug droppings are small, dark, and can be found in areas where bedbugs hide. You might also see small, pale yellow eggs or shed skins. Bedbugs shed their skins as they grow, leaving behind these telltale signs. Check the seams and crevices of your mattress and box spring. Bedbugs often hide in these areas during the day. Look for live bugs. Adult bedbugs are flat and oval-shaped, making them easy to identify if you know what to look for. They are reddish-brown in color. This distinctive color can help you spot them more easily. Finally, be aware of a musty odor. This odor is often described as sweet and unpleasant. Bedbugs can produce a sweet, unpleasant smell. This smell is caused by the pheromones they release. This odor may be noticeable in infested areas. If you detect this smell, it's a strong indicator of a bedbug problem. If you notice any of these signs, it's time to take action. Early detection and intervention can prevent a small problem from becoming a major infestation. Consider contacting a pest control professional for assistance. Additionally, sealing cracks and crevices in your home can help prevent bedbugs from finding places to hide. Washing your bedding in hot water and drying it on high heat can kill bedbugs and their eggs. Regularly vacuuming your mattress and surrounding areas can also help reduce the presence of bedbugs. Using a bedbug mattress cover can trap any existing bedbugs and prevent new ones from getting in. Be cautious when traveling. Inspect your luggage and clothing for bedbugs before bringing them into your home. When staying in hotels, keep your luggage on a luggage rack away from the bed and walls to reduce the risk of bringing bedbugs home. Use a flashlight to inspect hotel rooms for signs of bedbugs before settling in. Taking these preventive measures can give you peace of mind and help keep your home bed bug-free. Remember, if you suspect a bedbug infestation, don't hesitate to call a pest control professional for help. They have the expertise and tools to effectively eliminate bedbugs. There are also bedbug detection devices available that can help you monitor for bedbugs in your home. By staying vigilant and taking prompt action, you can protect your home and family from the discomfort and stress of a bedbug infestation. Don't panic if you discover bedbugs in your home. Many effective home remedies can eliminate these pesky critters. These natural solutions are safe, affordable, and readily available. You don't need to resort to harsh chemicals. These DIY methods are gentle on your family and pets, plus they're easy to use and won't break the bank. From heat treatment to essential oils, several options can help you reclaim your home. These methods target bedbugs at all stages of their life cycle. Let's dive into some practical and effective home remedies to combat bedbugs. Bedbugs hate heat, it's their weakness. We can use this to our advantage. Wash your bedding in hot water. Use the highest setting on your dryer. You can also use a steamer. Steam clean your mattress, carpets, and furniture. The heat will kill bedbugs and their eggs on contact. Be careful when using heat. Don't start a fire. Always follow safety precautions. Heat treatment is a highly effective way to get rid of bedbugs quickly. It reaches those hard-to-reach places where bedbugs hide. Section 5. Tea tree oil, a natural bed bug repellent. Tea tree oil is a powerful natural remedy. It has antiseptic and antimicrobial properties. This makes it effective against bedbugs. Mix a few drops of tea tree oil with water. Put the solution in a spray bottle. Spray it on your mattress, bedding, and furniture. The strong smell of tea tree oil repels bed bugs. It disrupts their nervous system. This prevents them from feeding and laying eggs. Reapply tea tree oil regularly. This will keep the bed bugs away for good. Section 6. Diatomaceous earth. Dehydrating those pesky critters. Diatomaceous earth is a natural powder. It's made from fossilized algae. It's safe for humans and pets, but it's deadly to bed bugs. Sprinkle diatomaceous earth around your bed, furniture, and baseboards. The powder sticks to the bed bugs' bodies. Diatomaceous earth works by absorbing the waxy outer layer of bed bugs. This causes them to dehydrate and die. Leave diatomaceous earth for a few days, then vacuum it up thoroughly. This will help eliminate bed bugs and their eggs. Section 7. Lavender oil, a soothing scent bed. Bugs hate. Lavender oil is known for its calming aroma, but it also repels bed bugs. The scent interferes with their sense of smell. Add a few drops of lavender oil to a diffuser. Place it near your bed. You can also mix lavender oil with water. Spray it on your bedding and furniture. Lavender oil creates an environment that bed bugs find unpleasant. This discourages them from infesting your home. Repeat this process regularly to keep your home smelling fresh and bed bug free. Section 8. Peppermint oil, repelling bed bugs with a fresh scent. Peppermint oil is another effective natural repellent. Its strong menthol scent is unpleasant to bed bugs. Mix a few drops of peppermint oil with water. Put the solution in a spray bottle. Spray it on areas where bed bugs hide. You can also place cotton balls soaked in peppermint oil in strategic locations. This will deter bed bugs from settling in. Peppermint oil is a safe and refreshing way to keep bed bugs at bay. Its invigorating scent is an added bonus. Section 9. Cleaning up, starve, and suffocate those bed bugs. Bed bugs are persistent pests, but with the right approach, you can effectively eliminate them from your home. Cleanliness is key to preventing and eliminating bed bugs. Start by washing all your bedding, curtains, and clothing in hot water. The heat will kill any bed bugs and their eggs. Regular cleaning deprives them of hiding places and food sources. Make sure to vacuum thoroughly, especially focusing on cracks and crevices where bed bugs like to hide. Wash your bedding, curtains, and clothing in hot water. After washing, dry them on high heat for at least 30 minutes. This ensures that any remaining bed bugs or eggs are killed. Dry them on high heat for at least 30 minutes. High heat is one of the most effective ways to kill bed bugs at all stages of their life cycle. Vacuum your floors, carpets, and furniture frequently. This helps to remove any bed bugs that may be hiding in these areas. Pay attention to cracks and crevices. Bed bugs often hide in these small spaces, so it's important to vacuum them thoroughly. Empty the vacuum cleaner bag immediately after use. This prevents any captured bed bugs from escaping back into your home. Seal it tightly and dispose of it properly. Make sure the bag is sealed tightly before you throw it away to ensure that no bed bugs can escape. This prevents bed bugs from escaping. Proper disposal of vacuum bags is crucial in preventing reinfestation. Regular cleaning disrupts the bed bug life cycle and makes your home less hospitable to them. By maintaining a clean environment, you reduce the chances of bed bugs finding places to hide and breed. Regular inspections are also important. Check your mattress seams, bed frames, and other furniture for signs of bed bugs. Early detection can help you address the problem before it becomes a full-blown infestation. In addition to cleaning, consider using bedbug sprays and other treatments. These can help to kill any remaining bed bugs and prevent new ones from taking up residence in your home. Bedbug interceptors can also be useful. Place them under the legs of your bed to trap any bed bugs trying to climb up. Sealing cracks and crevices in your home can also help. This reduces the number of hiding places available to bed bugs and makes it harder for them to move around. Consider using mattress encasements. These can trap any bed bugs inside and prevent new ones from getting in. Consistent vigilance and thorough cleaning are your best defenses against bed bugs. By following these steps, you can starve and suffocate those bed bugs, making your home a safer and more comfortable place to live. Section 10. Prevention is key keeping bed bugs at bay. Bed bugs are tiny, elusive creatures that can cause big problems if they infest your home. They are notorious for their ability to hide in the smallest of places and can be incredibly difficult to get rid of once they have taken up residence. Once you've eliminated bed bugs, you want to keep them from coming back. This means taking proactive steps to ensure that your home remains bed bug free. Prevention is just as important as treatment. In fact, it might even be more important because it can save you from the hassle and expense of dealing with an infestation in the first place. Inspect your luggage and belongings after traveling. Bed bugs are excellent hitchhikers and can easily make their way into your home by hiding in your suitcase, bags, or even your clothing. Bed bugs can hitch a ride in suitcases, bags, and clothing. They are often found in hotels, hostels, and other places where people sleep, so it's crucial to be vigilant when you return from a trip. Be cautious when buying used furniture. While secondhand items can be a great way to save money, they can also be a source of bed bugs. Inspect it carefully for signs of bed bugs before bringing it into your home. Look for small, rust-colored stains, tiny eggs, or even live bugs. Seal cracks and crevices in your walls, floors, and baseboards. Bed bugs can hide in the tiniest of spaces, so it's important to eliminate these potential hiding spots. This eliminates potential hiding spots for bed bugs. By sealing these areas, you make it much harder for bed bugs to find a place to hide and reproduce. By taking these preventive measures, you can significantly reduce the risk of future infestations. Remember, vigilance and proactive steps are your best defense against these persistent pests. Keep your home bed bug-free and enjoy peace of mind. Section 11. You can do it, winning the war against bed bugs. Dealing with bed bugs can be challenging, but remember, you're not alone. Millions of people face this problem. By following these simple natural remedies, you can win the war against bedbugs. Be patient and persistent. It may take time to see results. Don't hesitate to seek professional help if needed. Pest control experts have the knowledge and tools to tackle severe infestations. Remember, a bedbug-free home is within your reach. Take action today and reclaim your peace of mind.